the 2022 Volvo XC90. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. It includes leather upholstery, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, automatic temperature control, a headlight cleaning system, rear wipers, and seat memory. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Volvo also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.